Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel codesurfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we are going to start a new playlist, or we can say a new programming series that will be on C++. So we completed a C programming series and it was quite good, I guess. So you guys can check out that series as well. So in today's video we are going to do some introductory video of C++, a basic program of Hello World that we usually do. So let's quickly get started and let's understand what are the files that are we going to use, like the header files and namespace. What are these terms? Let's quickly have a look on it. So as you all know that in C++, you know that the first thing that we write is a header file. So in C++, there is also a header file which is written quite similar. That will be hash include IO stream. Now, IO stream, just pardon my handwriting, IO stream is standing for input output streaming. So there are some functions like cout, cin. So these are like print functions and scanf functions that we used in C. So these are the similar functions in here. And there will be, you can use some other functions, use like math and all those stuff, but it depends if you want to use them. So we can import this header files here. And then after there will come a new term that will be using namespace std. This is a standard library, so there are some functions that are imported using this line. So it is, we are just saying to the function that we are using this namespace standard library. So from that, the backend code, as I used to say, that there are some backend code behind this IO stream. So it is same like this. And then there will be the main function. We'll call the main function, and here it will be named as the data type, and then it will be named as main function with the parenthesis as we used, then the curly braces with a written 0. So this is quite similar. This portion is really much similar with C, but now as we used printf statement in C, we are going to use cout instead of printf. That will be cout simple, and this less than sign, that is two less than signs, and double inverted quotation, and whatever is our hello world, I would say we'll write here, and semicolon. So this is our printf statement. The cout is similar as the printf statement. So let's quickly write down this program is our code editor. So we are going to use developer C++. So you can check out the previous C programming tutorials to check out how we set up this and how we downloaded this developer C++. So let's just write down like hash include whatever we saw in that last thing, and IO stream. There is no need to write down .h in this one, and then using namespace std std with a semicolon, and then int main with curly braces here written 0, and we write down C out with these two less than signs, and our hello world, that will be hello world with a semicolon. So let's see if this runs or not. So we'll go to execute and compile and run, and so it is printing hello world, so that means we are going in the right direction right now. So this is a very basic program. We'll see some more functionalities like cin, what cin does, and a lot more in the next videos. So till that time, take care and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.